We have first day of a puppy chow eating, and we have two that really fall asleep in the food. This is cute. I got that one. Just laying on top of him. Oh, boom, I'm tired. Hi, Trouble. Yes? Well, your brothers is sitting in the food and won't give it to you? Huh? Oh my goodness gracious, look at him. Ah. Which one is that? This is a cream one. They are so cute. They are all out. That is adorable. What is true? We're having a Ginger and a Sofie's puppy in here, sleeping. What? What is it? Sleep with the teddy. Look at the big log. Look at the big log. Look at our big log. A bigger Junior, huh? He's gonna be a cute puppy.
You want to take this out then?
While they're settling down, when they wake up, we can take that out. Okay? We gotta take those guys out of the food. Look at that pizza in the back. Did you see this little thing? Huh? And you know what? One is snoring, but I have no idea which one that is. Now I gotta wake up everybody. Huh? Definitely gonna wake up everybody. Hi, sweets. Mm.